Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M22 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find General Management. Now let's tap on date and time. It should be on the third position, and as you can see right now we are using automatic date and time. So in order to set it manually, we have to turn off this option, and as you can see the time zone, date and time options are active. So let's begin with the time, for example, and here by swiping we can choose the time we want to use. Tap on done. As you can see, it immediately appears on the status bar. The same situation with the date. The calendar is opened, and from it you can choose the date you want to use. Just tap on done, and as you can see, it also immediately changes. What's more, we can change the time zone just by tapping on the regions. We will be transferred to the full list of all available ones, and all you have to do here is to just find the one you would like to set and tap on it. So let me pick, for example, this one, and as you can see, it is immediately applied, but be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here you can also decide what kind of clock format you want to use. Right now we are using 24-hour format, but if you would like to use 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher and it will be immediately applied. So actually this is it. This is how to set date and time manually. If you want to get back to all previous settings, just tap on the switcher to use 24-hour format and on this to use automatic date and time, and they will be provided by the network. So actually this is it. This is how to change date and time in your Samsung Galaxy M22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.